Welcome to this comprehensive guide to ZenGo, the revolutionary crypto wallet that offers advanced features with unmatched security. In this video, we will take an in-depth look at ZenGo's interface, unique features, and why it stands out in the crowded world of cryptocurrency wallets. ZenGo is a keyless, non-custodial wallet designed to simplify cryptocurrency management without compromising security. Its innovative facial biometrics replace traditional private keys, ensuring your assets remain safe even if your phone is lost or stolen. Upon visiting the ZenGo website, you'll notice its sleek and intuitive design, guiding users through the wallet's capabilities. Downloading the ZenGo app is straightforward and available on both Android and iOS. Once downloaded, setting up your wallet is quick. The app guides you through a facial recognition process, ensuring that no one but you can access your funds. ZenGo supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins like USDT. Sending and receiving crypto is seamless. All you need is the recipient's wallet address or QR code. Now, before we proceed to purchasing crypto directly through ZenGo, let's take a moment to consider how your USDTs can generate passive income. Did you know that platforms like ZenGo allow you to earn up to 12% APR on your holdings with daily accruals? It's a great way to make your assets work for you. Check the description for the sign-up link and bonus. Back to ZenGo, one of its standout features is the in-app integration with various platforms, making it easy to purchase, sell, and swap cryptocurrencies securely. The wallet's security is further enhanced by three-factor authentication, including recovery via backup file and email. Moreover, ZenGo eliminates the need for seed phrases, reducing risks associated with misplacement or theft. Navigating through the app reveals additional tools like savings options, staking capabilities, and price tracking for your favorite cryptocurrencies. ZenGo even integrates DeFi applications, providing access to decentralized financial services directly within the wallet. This makes ZenGo perfect for both beginners and seasoned investors. To access advanced features, you can explore the wallet's premium services, offering more robust tools for active traders. ZenGo also prides itself on exceptional customer support, available 24/7 within the app, ready to explore the safest, most intuitive way to manage your crypto. Sign up through the link in the description to claim your bonus as a new user. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more detailed guides and tutorials on cryptocurrency tools and platforms.